Hello friends, welcome to the lecture series of partial differentiation. In this video, we are going to discuss calculate error approximation. Very quickly, the details about the errors and approximation that I have explained in previous video. In this MCQ videos, the only sums we are going to discuss. This type of sums may be asked in the examination. We try to understand it because very few problems we are going to discuss. In errors and approximation, the relative error in x is dx by x. dx by x is what? Relative error in x. And if you multiply it by 100, then it becomes the percentage error in x. So, very simple problem. If an error of 2% and 3% is made in measuring its major and minor axis of ellipse, then the relative error in area of the ellipse is given. It is pi multiplied by a into b. This a related to the major axis and b related to the minor axis. And the relative error equation is also given. dA by a plus equal to dA by small a plus dB by small a, like that. The percentage error of this we have to calculate. So try to understand what is given. The 2% is what? It is the error is made while measuring a, and 3% is the error while measuring b. A and B are major and minor axis respectively, and this relative error equation is given. This is MCQ. This is in long answer question. This is required to be found, but this is given to you. The dA by A equals dA by A plus dB by B. Is capital A is for area of the ellipse. So what we have to do? We have to multiply this equation by 100, multiply by 100. If relative equation is given, relative error equation is given. If relative error equation is given, any equation you may be given, any equation, so multiply it by 100 because the percentage error we have to calculate. Percentage area, error in area we have to calculate. So what is it? The 100 dA by A. So what is 100 dA by A? 100 dA by A is a percentage error in A. See, here 2% is what? 2% is percentage error occurred while measuring A. Okay, this is percentage error in A. And 3 is what? 3 is 100 dB by B is percentage error in B. Percentage error in B. Now, put 100 dA by A is 2 and 100 dB by D is B is what? 3 and 2 plus 3 is what? 5. This 5 is the correct answer. So, what is 5? 5 is percentage error occurred in area of the lens. Now next problem. See, focal length of the mirror is found from the formula. This formula is given for the focal length. Find, and there are two parameters B and Q. Find percentage error in F. If U and V are both in error by P% each. Okay. Here, in this problem, what is given to you? This formula is given. This formula is given. And what we have to find? We have to find out the percentage error. So, we want percentage error in F. Percentage error in F we want. And percentage error in F is what? 100 dF by F. This value of 100 dF by F we have to calculate. So what to do? It is very clear that we have to take the derivative of this. Okay, differentiating this thing. Is 1 by v, derivative is 1 minus 1 by v square dv, minus 1 by u derivative, minus of 1 by u, minus minus plus 1 by u square du, and minus 1 by f square df is derivative of 1 by f, and 2 is already there. Okay, now 1 by v square I am going to split like this. 1 by u square I am going to split like this, and 1 by f square also I am going to split in this way. Is it? Find the percentage error in f. We have to find percentage error in f. And what is given to you? What is given? The percentage error in u. Percentage error in u. It is given percentage error in 100 du by u. That is p which is given. Percentage error in v also given to you. As what is it? It is 100 dv by v. It is also given, which is equal to p. Percentage error in u is given, which is p. And percentage error in u is also given, that is p. Now what to do? We are going to simplify this equation. And what we have to find? Percentage error in f we have to find. Try to simplify this equation. If I multiply it by 100, see what I am going to do. 100 dv by v plus 1 by u, 100 du by u. I am going to multiply it by 100. Here 2 multiplied by 100 df by f. Okay. And this 1 by f is as this. And we are interested in 100 df by f, which is percentage error. Now, minus 1 by v as is, 100 dv by v is what p, which is given to you. 100 du by u is what? That is p, which is also given. 2 times this f I am writing here. This is a percentage error in f, 100 df by f. Okay. If you solve it further, it is very clear that p is common. Okay, for convenience I am taking minus p common. Why I am taking minus p common? Because 1 by u minus 1 by v minus 1 by u I'll get, and 1 by u minus 1 by v minus 1 by u is 2 by u. That's why I have taken minus p common. Instead of taking p common, I have taken minus p common. Okay. Now, minus of p and 1 by v minus 1 by u is 2 by l. Right hand side is as it is. Right hand side is as it is. And this 2 by f gets cancelled. Therefore, the percentage error in f, percentage error, this minus sign I have left. This minus sign I have to do, minus sign I have to do, minus sign I have to do. This minus sign I have to put here. So this minus gets cancelled. So 100 df by f, therefore 100 df by f is p again. 100 df by f is equal to what? P. This percentage error in f we have calculated. In examination, yes, one of the parts may be asked. Either you will be given this equation, okay, you will be given this equation, relative error equation, and P will be required to be found. Or in the examination, this equation will be asked in the examination, relative error equation. Now, next problem, same problem. In calculating the volume of right circular hole, the error of 2% and 1% are made in measuring height and radius of the base of the right circular cone. Okay, this right circular cone I am going to draw, and there are two parameters, or you can say the variable here in this problem, and here height of the cone is h and base of the radius of the base of the right circular cone is circle, and this base is what? It is denoted by r. This is r and this is h. And the errors are measured, or errors are measured. What is the question? In calculating the volume of right circular cone, errors of 2% and 1% are made. The error of 2% is made in height, and error of 1% is made while calculating the base of the right circular cone. Okay. What is the question? Which of the following equation is correct related to relative error? Which of the following equation is correct, that we have to find. Okay. Here, there are two parameters: radius of the base of the right circular cone and height of the right circular cone. This volume of right circular cone, the volume of right circular cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. It's volume of right circular cone. Okay, V is the volume, R is radius of the base of the cone, and h is the height of the cone, right circular cone. Now, take derivative, because one of the equation I have to choose. It is very clear to have take derivative. We have the parameter or variable in terms of, okay, they are in the multiplication. Therefore, it is better to take the log of both the sides. Okay, what I am going to do? The log of left hand side is equal to log of right hand side I am taking. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Log of both the sides I am taking. And by law of logarithm, log of a into b into c is log of a plus log of b plus log of c. The next equation I am writing, log of v is equal to log of 1 by 3 plus log of pi, or you can write log of pi by 3 also, because pi is constant and 1 by 3 is also constant. You can do like that. Log of r square plus log of h. Okay, just using law of logarithm I have separated. Now, as one more step I am going to add log 1 by 3 plus log pi. Log of pi by 3 you can write. This log of r square is what? 2 log r plus log h. Now differentiating this one. If you differentiate log v, you totally get 1 by v dv. If you differentiate log 1 by 3, means it is constant, its derivative is 0. Derivative of log pi, which is constant, its derivative is 0. 2 is multiplicative constant, derivative of log r is 1 by r dr. And derivative of log h is 1 by h dh. Here, height and the radius are variable. Now, dv by v, 2 by r dr is equal to 1 by h dh. Okay, this equation represents relative error in volume, and that is what we want. Which of the following equation is correct related to the relative error in volume? dv by v, 2 dr by r, and 1 by h dh. Where it is? This one, yes, this one. dv by v, 2 dr by r, and dh by h. This is the correct answer. So in this way, we solved some problems on errors and approximation. In errors and approximation, this relative error formula you may be given, and the percentage error may be asked, or the relative error formula may be asked. Okay, directly relative error formula may be asked in the examination. We stop here. Thank you very much.